Hey y'all, thank you so much for stopping by to watch the video today. I'm going to be honest with you. It's been really hot and the fishing's been tough, so I hadn't been coming out a lot lately. So I got with Nick and we decided to come out to this pond that we caught a lot of fish last time. I think last time we came we caught around 20 bass. And we didn't have as much luck today. I was throwing a frog junior and Nick had a little crawfish and I think he threw a Cinco some. And even though the fishing was pretty tough in this one, you know, anytime me and Nick get together, there's going to be some comedy, so I think you'll enjoy the video. Got to catch some pretty cool stuff on camera that you wouldn't normally see, so I hope you guys enjoy. Put that paddle right in the way.
Alright, we're good.
You good? Alright. Oh God, it got deep there. Now my boot's full of water. And this water stinks. I can't hardly pick up my leg. Oh man, now it's running down my leg. I picked up my foot to let it drain out and it's running up my leg. Got one? Yeah. All right, Nick got one. What'd you get him on?
That little crawl.
Got him on a little crawfish.
Okay, look, I'm about to throw. Watch where this hit.
Yeah, one just hit.
Watch it.
He just can't get it. He's trying, but he's too little. There's a baby frog over here on my boat, by my boot. Maybe that's good luck. Woo! Like to took my own head off with this frog. I think he missed it. I didn't feel him. That was a pretty good hit though. What in the world? Huge tree limb just fell. Good Lord. Well, that's probably scared all the fish off over here. I hope this lab doesn't jump in the water after this frog. Oh my God. Dude, I flung this fish all the way back to the boat and it almost hit me. That's funny. Look at this little dude, how he ate it. He like inhaled it. All right, a little guy, maybe, he's probably not even half a pound on this frog junior. That's my first fish. Let's see if we can keep it going.